In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace name on Notion. This is a quick but really useful update to make, especially if your workspace has evolved over time. Maybe you started it as a personal space and now it's become a team hub, or your company has rebranded and you want your Notion workspace to match. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a couple of tips to keep everything clear and organized. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're a member of more than one. You can confirm this by looking at the workspace name in the top left corner of the screen. Once you're sure you're in the right place, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where the sidebar is. In that left sidebar, find and click on Settings. Depending on your version, this might appear as Settings and Members, or simply Settings, but it will always be in that left panel. When you click it, a settings window or panel will open, usually in the center or on the right side of your screen. Inside the settings area, you'll see different sections in a menu. Look for the section labeled Workspace. Under Workspace, click on General. This is where you can adjust high-level details about your workspace, including its name, icon, and some basic preferences. Once you're in the General section, look for the field labeled Name. This is the current name of your workspace. Click into that field, delete the existing name if needed, and type in the new workspace name you want to use. Take a moment here to choose a name that clearly reflects how you and your team use this space. For example, you might include your company name, a project name, or a department to make it easy for everyone to recognize. As you type, Notion usually saves changes automatically, so you may not see a separate save button. After you've entered your new name, pause for a second to let it update. You can then close the settings panel. Finally, look back to the top left corner of your Notion window. You should now see your updated workspace name displayed there. That's all you need to do to change your workspace name in Notion.